Welcome to Marvle3D channel. I'm Helen. Many new customers would ask me questions about 3D filaments. The most frequently asked would be, which filament is the most popular one and why? So this video is going to answer it in simple words. If you enjoyed this video, please thumb up and subscribe. The straightforward answer to the question is PLA. PLA is by far the most popular filament used in FDM 3D printing. It works well for a variety of 3D printing applications simply because it is very easy to use. For example, you don't need a heated bed or a full enclosure printer to maintain the temperature. And also, it combines great surface quality and decent strength. The most beautiful part of PLA, it is a bioplastic, which is made from renewable natural resources such as cornstarch products. So safe to make toys for children. PLA can break down in landfills. It is environmentally friendly. All about benefits makes PLA super popular. However, it also has its own downside. It is not suitable for parts that will undergo a lot of wear and tear, because it will experience a phenomenon called creep. For example, if a PLA part is loaded, it will continue to change shape over time. It will not be useful anymore in long term. This drawback may be crucial for those engineering field applications such as structural uses. All in all, PLA filament is proven to be the most popular starting filament for 3D printing. If you would like to grab some high-quality PLA at great prices, simply click the purchase link down below. Marvle3D have a good selection of PLA with over 30 kinds of colors, even including the glowing in the dark. A tip about storing PLA filament. Normally, PLA would come packed in vacuumed bags because it will absorb water from the air. It will swell in humid environments. So make sure you unload your PLA filament and bag it if it's going to be a while before you 3D printing again. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see on this channel. And then, most important, enjoy your 3D printing.